Review of the spot trading terminal of the Bit.team exchange. On the main page of the Bit.team exchange, you can see trading charts for various pairs, and you can also pass to the trading terminal and start trading cryptocurrency by clicking on the link "Go to the exchange" or press "Trade" near a suitable trading pair. The trading terminal consists of the following blocks. The very first one on the left displays all trading pairs presented on the exchange. Here you can observe daily volumes and prices, and you can also add coins to your favorites for quick access to certain trading pairs. In the search box, enter the name of the desired coin, and having selected it, you will go to the trading page. In the center, you can see the price change chart, which is based on executed orders. The graph has many display settings for ease of analysis. You can add various indicators, scale and mark for yourself any signals that will help you to make trading decisions. The history of all recent transactions is displayed in the block on the right. Purchase orders are highlighted in green and sales orders in red. Below the chart, the main trading terminal is presented, and here you can work with limit and market orders. With the limit orders, you can specify the price yourself, and with the market orders, you are agreeing with the current purchase or sale price. On the right and left are so-called trading glasses. On the left, red for sale, on the right, green for purchase. And if you want to buy cryptocurrency, then instantly you can do it at the lowest price in the red glass of sales. Pay attention to the volume of orders placed. If the first order is not enough for you, then you can purchase several at once, highlighting them and seeing the average price. Once you click on the desired volume, the price will automatically be entered in the price field of the buy section, where you can adjust the data and buy out the cryptocurrency. The same principle applies when you want to sell a coin instantly. Also, you can adjust the price and place your order in trading glasses. To do this, specify a competitive price, lower than in a red part of glass or higher than in a green part. Your order will be marked for easy display, and you will have to wait the buyer or seller who will execute your order. Below on the page, your active orders are displayed in the corresponding block, where you can observe the partial execution of the order and also you can cancel them. In addition, the history of orders and the history of transactions are located in the tabs of the same name. All purchased cryptocurrency is immediately displayed on your balance. You can see it by clicking on the profile icon.